Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 VW Golf. From any screen, if you go to nav, if you click on nav, now just watch the menu at the bottom. It does time out. So there you go, it's gone. And if you're unlucky enough to have just got the vehicle, you're looking at it, you can't figure out what to do next, you just put your hand towards it and the menu comes up. You'll see their new destination. If there's already a route programmed, it will come up with the route there. You can click on it. I'll show you in a second. So new destination, click on new destination. We want, well, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR54EA. So that's searching for it. It's come up there, England, Preston, PR54EA. We click on that. That's it showing there. Click on start. It gives you the choice of 3 routes. We'll click the fastest at the top. That's it. We'll just click, actually. You've got announce there. That's
navigation announcement volume.
The voice instructions were knocked off there, but we've put them back on and turned it up. So that's it. As I say, there's now a route set to it. So if you put your hand towards it and the menu comes up, you'll see their route in the corner. We click on route. If you want to stop it, if you get near enough to where you know where you're going and you don't want the lady's voice chiming up all the time, just click stop route there, like so. That's it.